Mississippi?
I
Why?
want Oregon. I want Pennsylvania.
You know a lot of states in America, huh? What else? Oops. Be careful. Why do you want to go to the United States of America?
Because I want to see Ellen.
Oh, yeah, you want to watch her in her show. You want to be a guest on her show. You want to buy wings so you can go there?
I want to fly in there. In up, down, up, down, up, down.
Oh, actually, we need a passport. You have to renew the
Oh.
passport. And then we need an air ticket, and we need
Mommy,
to ride an airplane
do you
again.
want to help?
Why? What happened to you?
Sit down, please.
Yeah.
I cannot reach you. Please help.
Wait.
Help.
The camera.
Help.
Wait a minute, the camera. Oh, there you go. You want to see Ellen? Yeah, I hope I can tell Ellen that. And you are so talented.
Disciples, Jesus going to help me. Someone Peter and you. Then he does his own. Where was purpose by you? Thank you so much, happy. Mama, thank you,